Welcome to our tutorial series. In this video, we will be going through creating a template, a step-by-step guide. Let's dive into the process of creating a template. If you are not a platform administrator and need to create a template, you will need to request the administrator to assign you the author and designer role and give you access to the necessary libraries, if applicable. The first step is to navigate to the Template tab and select the blue plus Template button. It's crucial to understand that certain settings can be adjusted even after the template is created or published. Once you do publish, the system will warn you what cannot be changed. Upon clicking the button, you'll be directed to the creation page. Here, the initial steps involve naming your template and defining its purpose. We suggest opting for to create a learning journey to unlock the platform's full potential. However, other options are available in the drop-down menu, including to create a demo, only offer the memo trainer, and to create one limited activity for exam or evaluation purposes. Do remember, the functionality you gain access to is dependent on your chosen purpose. More details on these options can be found by hovering over the question mark. Please note, once a template is created, its purpose cannot be altered, and a new template would need to be created. Moving on to the main functionalities section. To activate them, simply click on the buttons. The first feature is Retention Training with the Memo Trainer, a built-in memory retention tool. The system is designed to pose a set number of questions about courses they've completed, facilitating long-term memory retention. The second feature is Interaction between learners, enabling learners to communicate and potentially engage in group work, task discussions, or compete on a scoreboard. The third feature is Learning Journey with Instructors, which, when activated, allows you to assign an instructor, assessor to a course who can monitor learner progress, communicate via email, provide feedback, and grade work. Do bear in mind that only instructors can communicate directly with learners. Additional functionalities include note-taking for learners, eliminating the need for traditional pen and paper and allowing notes to be saved directly on the platform. A compact style for the learning journey, presenting activities in smaller blocks without a vertical line. Text-to-speech service for learners. This is a paid-for service. The ability to hide new activities and blocks on the activity and results overview pages until they're available. Suggestions for activities in the learning journey. Activity advice, providing learners with guidance on how to proceed in their learning journey. Next, you have the assessment terms and colors, where you can assign specific colors and terms for completed scorable activities and assessments. Finally, we have the content library settings, where you decide whether to create a new content library or use an existing one. With your template now customized, the last step is to click Create, and you can start creating your personalized learning journey. Let the creation process commence. Thank you so much for watching. There are more tutorial videos available to you on our channel. If you would like to know more about something specific, or have recommendations of a tutorial you would like to see, feel free to comment down below, like and subscribe for more.